Hi, welcome to White State Media. If you're new to this channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. In today's news, President Mnangagwa urges Zimbabweans to warmly welcome the SADC crew who will attend the SADC Summit.
I equally encourage all Zimbabweans to continue working hard to ensure a peaceful, safe, and a welcoming environment for visiting delegates and leaders. With unity of purpose across the various sectors of our society, let us collectively bear the weighty responsibility which hosting this important summit entails on our shoulders.